Alright, now that I introduced y'all to my channel and stuff, let me show you what I'm in the process of doing because I forgot to do it because I was doing this and I got distracted. Alright, so sensor broke. Let me focus. Bam. It broke on me. So this is a normal sensor. All this metal stuff is stuck in that damn bracket. So I gotta take off that bracket, hopefully pry it out. But as y'all can see, there's literally no space in that little hole. Oh. So yeah, y'all can watch me try this out. Got that motherfucker out. Got this thing out. Y'all see that little metal piece in that second hole? I got crushed in there. Oh man. So now we gotta try and take that out. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. Actually, let me double check what time it really is. Alright, so it is, I don't know if y'all can see, it is 1:30 in the fucking morning. Oh shit. 1:30 in the morning. And I'm gonna try and get it running tonight. Fuck it, let's just try it out. This is the bullshit. Oh shit, no, I probably need that. No, I won't need that. Alright guys, I changed out the sensor that goes right there, and I made the clearance 0.8, so I didn't get shocked or anything. Oh, anyways, back to, okay, so yeah, this is it for tonight. I'm sleepy as fuck because it is 3:50 in the morning. I don't know if y'all can see that. And me and a couple of friends are gonna go-karting tomorrow. So I gotta get a good night's rest. We'll see what we can do next with the car. I might introduce the other cars. I might not. Not tonight. tomorrow maybe. I'll probably vlog tomorrow. I'm gonna try that out. It's my first time vlogging, guys. It's gonna be freaking weird, but alright. But yeah, so this is it for tonight. And good night, guys. Good night. Thanks for watching. I love you guys. I don't even know you guys yet.